us through luxury. Let us show you. Welcome to Unbothered Arena. This premium service 6-bedroom duplex apartment blends modern finish with private luxury. Come, let me show you this soft, comfortable sofa, lovely interior, from a TV to keep you entertained, ranging from Netflix, Prime, Showmax, and for the guys, this is the best part. This PlayStation 5 console will get you glued to your sitting room and keep you well entertained. Indeed, everything in this spacious sitting room speaks volume of luxury. And trust me, for your safety, we have a first aid kit here just for you. Next up, a fully modern kitchen equipped with everything you need for cooking, ranging to a stylish, cozy dining where you can eat your meals, and then a modern fridge. Can you beat that? What are you waiting? Right here you have your modern microwave and a pressure tap, and a treated water awaits you. Fully equipped modern facility kitchen, screaming luxury. A bonus of a storage space. We have 6 bedrooms in this service apartment. Come with me to room 101. Here you have your bed, your AC, an intercom to pass that information. Next, you have room 102. In this service apartment, a comfortable bed for you, bathroom, a dressing mirror, and a lovely wardrobe, a bathrobe. This isn't just an apartment, it's a lifestyle. Let's walk through. Why travel far when paradise is right here? Staircase review. 3, 2, 1. Welcome to the upper floor anteroom. A lovely interior for picture perfect. And a telecom just to call anybody in the down sitting room. Another smart TV here to keep you entertained. Another PlayStation 5. Trust me, you want to be here. Where comfort meets class, every corner was designed with you in mind. This is the next favorite spot of mine. Enjoy comfort in every bedroom. Designed with premium beddings, air conditioning, and a telecom to pass your message across. Communication is key, trust me. A walk-in luxury closet. This isn't just a bathroom, it's a 5-star spa experience, perfect for unending romantic evenings and simply treating yourself to peace of mind and luxury. My favorite feature, wait until you see the master bedroom. Come guys, check out this beautiful soft bed. This is where you want to chill and relax. Check out the design. Don't you love? I know you love. Here is another mini fridge just for you, because all rooms have their own mini fridge. And this is a walk-in closet, designed, crafted with you in mind. And we have a bathrobe here for you and a slippers. Come with me to another favorite part of mine. Not all apartments are created equal. Wait till you see this jacuzzi. What's your definition of luxury? Don't you love what you see? And the pressure of this jacuzzi is on point. When I say pressure, you scream luxury. Stop squeezing into hotel rooms when you can own 6 rooms. Don't you love mirror, mirror on the wall? And here you have your bathroom, modern bathroom. Imagine waking up here in a 6-bedroom apartment with endless memories. Come with me. And just here you have another comfortable, beautiful beddings. I love, and I know you do too. And a mirror. We all love mirror. We love to look at ourselves and see how beautiful we are, just as this building. Wardrobe for you. Another bathrobe. When I say luxury, you scream luxury. Got you covered to give you unforgettable memories. Running tap, modern facilities, and then beautiful shower accessories. You know you love what you see. Unbothered arena. This 6 spacious master's room, fully furnished with modern amenities, state-of-the-art gym, laundry service, and a beautiful outdoor swimming pool. For your convenience, we have 24-hour uninterrupted power supply, high-speed internet service, top-notch security, and a peaceful experience. Perfect blend of luxury, comfort, and affordability. Unbothered Arena Apartments, where comfort meets luxury. Book your stay with us today and enjoy an unbothered experience.
Your guide to finding the perfect spot is located in a serene and secure environment at Warri off Airport Road, Efru, Delta State.